Hi guys, welcome to Sugar Bloom by Sanskriti. Today I bring to you an amazing recipe of cream cheese. I'll try my best to keep it in English and Hindi as well because as per the poll on my Insta story, there was equal weightage for English and Hindi language. So let's start. We'll start with taking milk and cream. So हम milk and cream लेंगे and make sure कि आप जो milk ले रहे हैं वो full fat milk हो, that is buffalo milk हो. आप किसी भी brand का milk ले सकते हैं और मैंने यहाँ पे fresh cream अमूल की ली है. अब make sure that whatever measurement with whatever cup you're making the measurement, make all the measurements with the same cup. So first I am taking 1 cup of milk. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm taking 500 milliliters of milk, that is half a liter of milk, and we'll take half liter of cream as well. So you have to keep the proportion equal amount of milk, same amount of milk and same amount of cream. That makes the cream cheese a bit thick because we want it for cheesecake purposes, but if you want it for a like a dip, so you can just reduce the quantity of cream a bit. So first I am adding 1 cup of milk. In totality we'll add 2 cups of milk, that is 500 milliliters. Now with the same cup I'll measure the cream as well. एंड गाइज अगर आपके पास ऐसा कप नहीं है तो कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है, कोई भी कप ले लो, चाय वाला कप जो होता है ना वो भी कप ले लो. बस मेक श्योर कि आप सेम कप से सारे मेजरमेंट्स कर रहे हो. इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ क्रीम विद इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क इफ यू आर मेकिंग इट फॉर चीज केक. सो just add 2 cups of cream and 2 cups of milk. If I talk about milliliters, then 500 milliliters यानी कि आधा लीटर दूध और आधा लीटर क्रीम. Just make sure guys that if you're taking this big pack of Amul fresh creams, just shake it a bit so that अगर कोई भी cream नीचे बैठी हुई है so अच्छा mix हो जाए. So just shake it well, mix it well and then pour it in the cup. So now I'm pouring 2 cups of cream and I'll just add it in the pan. Oops, I'll just clear the mess. Anyways, okay, so 2 cups of milk, add it to the pan. Take a heavy saucepan if possible. I poured it all in a jar. It becomes easy for me. Okay guys, so it's done. The main ingredients are already there. Just 2 small ingredients are left. Now we'll just switch on the gas. We'll keep it on high flame initially and you just have to make sure that you keep stirring it regularly with the spatula. And the process is very similar with making paneer at home. So maybe you or your parents would have made paneer at home. So it's just very similar to that. It's just that in that we add milk. In this we are adding milk and cream both. And cream cheese can be used for a lot of things guys. It's not necessary that you use it for a cheesecake. You can use it as a dip, you can use it in between your sandwiches, you can eat it with nachos. So it's a very good option and a replacement of mayonnaise sometimes. So just stir it, make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. So now we'll add lemon or vinegar, lemon juice or vinegar to it. What I do is I actually add 1 tablespoon of lemon and rest I add vinegar. Okay, so you can, even if you don't have lemon or if you don't have vinegar, you can completely replace that. So you can add lemon to it, lemon juice to it, or you can add vinegar to it, or you can add a combination to it. And in my case I feel the combination works the best. And also I'll add half a teaspoon of salt in it. So the 2 ingredients are done. So now just we'll be adding around 5 or 6 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. See guys, now this completely depends, the number of tablespoons completely depends on the quality of the milk or cream that you're using. Okay, so first I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon. So always remember that 1 tablespoon of lemon equals 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, so always make your adjustments regarding that. So हिंदी में अगर मैं बता दूँ तो 1 टेबलस्पून चम्मच जो होगा आपका लेमन जूस का, वो आपके 1 टीस्पून विनेगर के बराबर होगा. तो आप अपनी जो भी रिप्लेसमेंट्स करेंगे या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे उसको उस हिसाब से ही कीजिएगा. सो फर्स्ट हम इसको बॉयल पे आने देंगे. फर्स्ट इट गेट्स बॉइल्ड प्रॉपरली एंड देन वील बी एडिंग इट. So we'll start by adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and then I'll mix it, stir it, and then I will keep on adding 1 more tablespoon. So like 1 more tablespoon of vinegar now. So I'll add around 1 tablespoon of vinegar, give it a good mix, let it curdle. So we have to make it curdle. Like basically जैसे पनीर अलग अलग हो जाता है ना, ऊपर देखो ये फटना शुरू हो गया है, जैसे दूध फट जाता है वैसे ही आपको ये भी ऐसे फटते हुए दिखेगा. सो समझ जाना कि आप सही कर रहे हो, ठीक है. और हमें इसे तब तक फाड़ना है, वी हैव टू मेक इट, वी हैव टू कर्डल इट till the point you start seeing a greenish whey water, like basically WHEY, so whey water. You will see that जैसे हम पनीर बनाते हैं ना वैसे नीचे पानी जो है वो एक ग्रीनिश कलर का पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, तो दैट्स द whey water. So we just have to separate that whey water and this curdled mixture. And guys, also there may be a chance that even after adding 6 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, you feel that your mixture has not curdled up properly. So you can add 1 more tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, so that completely depends on the milk and the cream that you're using. Okay, so you just have to make sure that yes, it is right. I have got enough curdled mixture. So that way. So now I have drained, see that's the whey water. Okay, so I have drained it. At this moment you would be feeling that it's very less, but gradually you will see that a lot of water will come out of it. So I have taken a cloth, a thin cloth, okay, and I have taken it out in that. So that's all that you see that will become our cream cheese. See how shaky it is, and it tastes delicious guys, very smooth, very nice texture. You're going to love it, I can guarantee you on that. So what we'll do is we'll not put a lot of force on it. We'll cover it with the cloth and we'll not squeeze all the water manually, right? So just cover it and keep it like that for 15 minutes. Not more, not less. If you'll keep it for a lot of time, then what will happen is a lot of whey water will drain and it will completely become dry, and then you will not get that smooth and a nice consistency, and then you will have to add a bit of whey water in it. Okay, so if you feel that it's a bit dry, I'll tell that to you when we'll be blending it later. So at that particular point of time you will have to add the whey water, and don't throw this whey water. This is very healthy, so you can add it in your dal, in like knead dough with it. So see, I am not putting any pressure, just cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. And कभी केक बनाते हुए केक बैटर खाया है, बहुत स्वाद लगता है ना. वैसे ही मैं भी जब सब कुछ कर लेती हूँ तो मैं जैसे क्रीम चीज़ ऐसे टेस्ट करके देख लेती हूँ. सो you will get to know that the amount of the sourness of the cream cheese and the pungent taste that the cream cheese has. So you will be able to feel that. Okay, so and also guys, don't put a lot of vinegar. Okay, just stay with the measurements. Make sure that just stay between 5 to 7 tablespoons, okay? It should not cross that. So see, now I have taken it out in a bowl, and at this particular point of time you would be feeling that it's a bit it has a bit जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना दानेदार सा टेक्सचर है. So we have to make it smooth, and for that we'll use a hand blender. You can even use a balloon whisk. Nothing like that you cannot do it with a balloon whisk. It will just take 5-6 minutes more. That's it. So just blend it with the hand mixer on low to medium speed, that is 1, 2 or 3, not a high speed. So as you will keep blending it, you will see that the smooth texture will start coming. If you want, you can add vanilla essence or vanilla extract at this particular point of time, if you're using it for cakes or cupcakes or frostings basically. But if you're using it as a dip or a savory, using it in a savory dish, then don't add vanilla essence. It's perfectly fine, just like this. So see, it has started becoming smooth. Now I'll just check it once. I'll scrape the sides and check it once that it is complete or not. When you'll check it with a spatula or a spoon basically, you'll get to know, you'll understand the texture. And this was the time when I was telling you that you can add the whey water if you feel that it's too dry. But mine is completely fine. I don't need to add any water. If you are keeping it for 15 minutes, then I don't think that you will be needing any whey water. So see how smooth and creamy it has become. I feel I'll just do it once more. So doing it for the last time. In a circular motion you'll have to do it. सर्कुलर पोर्शन में आप हैंड ब्लेंडर से या फिर बैलून विस्क आता है, जो एक विस्क आता है, उससे आप इसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लो जब तक ये थोड़ा क्रीमी नहीं बन जाता और इसका अच्छा सा टेक्सचर नहीं आ जाता. सी नाउ आवर क्रीम चीज़ इज़ कम्प्लीटली रेडी. बहुत ईजी है गाइज, ज़रूर बना के देखना. आई गारंटी यू दैट you will love it. People who love cheese or maybe who love creamy textures in their sandwiches or in their dishes, they are going to love it. So now we'll just put it in a compressed in a box basically, which fits it well, and we have to compress this basically in the box so that it gets a shape, and also just cover it with a cling film, and then refrigerate it. I'll refrigerate it overnight, otherwise you just need to refrigerate it for around 3 hours, and it's good to go guys. You can use it for anything. So I'll be making caramel chocolate cheesecake with it. So it works perfectly fine. It will satisfy all your hunger cravings. And guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share, follow me on Instagram for regular updates, and show your support guys. Thank you so much.